Nurses say increasing ED wait times are driving a rise in police call-outs for harassment and threats. Police figures show they responded to reports of harassment and threatening behaviour in health settings 424 times last year, nearly double 4 years previously. Nurses Organisation President Anne Daniels says the state of the health system lends itself to this increase.
We don't have enough nurses to actually do the job that needs to be done. The waiting for people who are already in extreme distress just boils over into frustration.
Te Whatu Order acknowledges high patient volumes with increasingly complex needs can be exacerbated by staffing pressures. Some principals begin a 2-month work ban this morning over a recent pay offer. Those working in primary and area schools will pause the work they do with the Education Ministry, including all work outside 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays apart from board meetings. NZEI President Mark Potter told Roman Travers this is about sending a message.
The message is to say, look, you need us. Here's an indication of what will happen if we aren't being supported and valued. And what we're saying to the ministry is we need action from them.
A Napier tourism operator says business has ground to a halt after Cyclone Gabrielle. Hawke's Bay Tourism is urging visitors to return to the region, which is almost 10 weeks into its recovery from the devastating storm. It says nearly 90% of operators are now open, but people are cautious after seeing images of beautiful Hawke's Bay at its worst. Napier City bike hire and tours owner Jan Pavlicek says everyone was very excited by news the Napier Topol Road would open before the school holidays, but he says it didn't bring as many people as they'd hoped. Fears of a brain drain as Australia opens up a historic citizenship pathway for New Zealanders. From July, Kiwis who have lived in Australia for 4 years will be able to get citizenship and, in turn, benefits including the ability to vote. Auckland University International Relations Associate Professor Stephen Hoadley says it's a bittersweet triumph for New Zealand. Fans of Barry Humphries say his comic legacy will always be remembered. The Australian comedian died in Sydney Saturday night at the age of 89. He was best known for Dame Edna, a character with lilac-coloured hair and cat-eyed glasses. Auckland entertainment writer David Hartnell says Humphries was a comic genius.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald. Click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.